Good evening, Professor Levy Grant. Zofia Grzegorzewska. Well, 4:40, January 11th, 2020. So I'm very glad that I'm participating in the next wellness class. As I mentioned in my post, wellness class was really, for me, it was a surprise, but a very good surprise. And I think we should have more and more of curriculums designed for colleges, and this curriculum should be in other colleges as well. It's great to have a program which empowers women to do well, not only in school, but do well in life. Really, that's what it is. As I mentioned in my post, also, needless to say, for thousands of years, we were portrayed as meek and weak gender. Well, I guess we proved that realities are totally different, and physically we are capable of impossible. But I think also as other half of humanity, we shown that we have half a brain. So I'm very glad that in the next 4:40 class, well, the first classes, wellness classes, Wellness 220, have have us realize what kind of leadership, if any, we would identify with. Next class, Wellness 330. How does already do the project? Think of interviewing person that we may admire, and think of real or fake business idea that we could possibly do. I was thinking of, as I was saying, because of my heritage, I was thinking of doing YouTube screening of showing Poland, not only as a country. As a country that is rich in culture and historically, very rich historically in the central of Europe, but also the kitchen is amazing. And I wanted to do this also in a way that I want to show the new country, country that is innovative, is following the newest technological things and newest technological novelties that's out there, and country that is amazing, and people don't know really what this country is all about. But taking social psychology before Christmas, I realized that for a very long time, for over 16 years, I have worked for Human Services Department. I used to work for a company named Seven Hills, which is a very known company all over the country and internationally. I was managing one of the programs in Rhode Island for Seven Hills. I'm mom of disabled boy who was diagnosed with cerebral palsy 12 years ago. When he turned 2, I was diagnosed with cerebral palsy. And I know from relations with other parents, with teachers, with therapists, and I've did things with my son internationally, that there are things available over there that parents sometimes really don't know about. They're not informed, or they simply just gave up. And I want to start a website to get parents involved, to get parents informed about medical educational possibilities, medical possibilities, not only in the United States, but out there. Maybe trying to bring some new medical forms of treating. And I don't want to just concentrate on cerebral palsy. It would be open for everyone. It will be website for every parent. If you want to add your, I would like parents to be able to communicate, not only post dry facts over there, but it would be great to communicate, and so they have possibility of to communicate. I hope I can do this. For my project, I know I have to find a time. I'm gonna try two ladies. I'm gonna try Marianne Tardif. She's treatment coordinator of Seven Hills Foundation for the PASS program. PASS program is a plan to achieve self-support program. And the second person is Sheila Provincial. She's the clinician of this program. And I'm gonna ask both of them, actually, those two comes as a team. So if they oversee the case, the child case, they comes as a team, they work together. So I'm gonna ask both of them, or maybe one of them, or maybe both of them will try to participate in this program with me. Well, thank you very much, Professor. This is it for today. I hope the time is right. I didn't over exceeded. Thank you very much. Have a good night, and well, see you next week. Thank you.